she know kick it off like one.
Nation, we're there. Bolinas.
Yo, it's the Bandit and the Skidder, the Nation.
Yeah, man.
And the fight, what the other one?
The Whimsy Nation. The Whimsy Nation. The Big Back Brigade. You see what I'm saying?
Blessed love, blessed love.
That's it.
So they tasted great, but they were like,
We're there.
hiya.
Blvk H3ro in the place.
Get that. Check.
Out of a difference, instantly she was, she not get Crooks!
How you doing, boss? Everything blessed for Alright, massive. We're there in Bolinas. You see me? Full of whimsy. Hero over here, so I try light a spliff.
Try light up a spliff.
Yeah, man. You know
Excuse me while I light my spliff.
You know the breezy. Oh God. The breezy spliff them serious, you know. You see what I'm saying? I would be forgetting how breezy Bolinas is. Movements.
Jumping at this
Big back out more in our place.
Big activities.
Big back activities. Let's see what's going on for the Bolinas big back.
Reggae music in California, right?
Isn't that crazy?
Like just because
It's the whimsy, bro. It's the
do you remember the exact? Do you remember the exact day that shit changed? Do you remember the exact day? Like what happened? Blessed.
Listen, if I like how the day went.
No, do you remember the day the shit blew up?
Hello.
Blessed.
I don't remember what the exact day was.
Do you remember the exact time?
But I remember the feeling leading up. I didn't think about bringing the microphone in. I should have brought the microphone, but we're out here. We're in Bolinas. It is cold out here. Bumbleclot. Yo. Very dangerous cliff. Oh, fuck. No. Stop it. This breeze serious. People. Oh, yeah. Alright. So I'll go on here. This crazy still. We're out on the shores, you know. Bumbleclot, Stick Nation. Stick Nation, can we find anything? Seen this rock, but I'm gonna be mad if it's just like concrete or something, you know. What do y'all think this is? What is this? A wild hero appears. Why people, there's a potential, so Leslie last way, you know. So we're out there, we'll make couple left turn, couple right turn. You see me? And now we're in a like some Japanese looking forest situation. I don't know why I said. But Leslie says she know the way, so we're gonna see. Oh, it happens a lot here. Yeah, man, gone. Leslie in the whip. Leslie almost run me over. Leslie's ready to go. So unfortunately, I missed all the footage on this last night because we left the camera last night. But we are on our way to the tug of war, the 4th of July tug of war. Apparently, it's between Bolinas and Stinson.
So who are we representing since we're foreigners?
I mean, we're just going as. Yeah, I think Bolinas has been treating us well for the past couple of years, you know what I mean? So for us to rep Stinson would be diabolical.
Yeah, who are they? We don't know them.
We don't know these people, you know? So we're gonna watch Bolinas win is what I think is gonna happen. You know? I don't know what the rules are. Z was telling me that Stinson be cheating and tying the rope to a truck and all kind of crazy shit. So Alright peeps, so we've made it to the beach. We are at, this sounds like premier white people in. This is the annual 4th of July Bolinas tug-of-war battle. Apparently it's a tradition that's been going on since the 1800s, I hear. And it's elevated to this thing where it's two towns compete and try to pull each other into the water. So we're going to see some prime exclusive white people in. Now for those who don't know, for the uninitiated, Bolinas is like a surf town, you see me? Like an exclusive surf town that's been like a secret magical spot for years apparently. So we're gonna see what's going on. There's a lot of people. There's a lot of people at the beach already. Can y'all see how many people? Is that a truck? Do they have a truck over there?
Yes, but I don't know if they're using it.
See all those people over there, y'all? And they got all these people over here. Ready now, my side. Oh, it started.
This is so freaking awesome.
Yeah.
Oh my God. 1, 2, 3, pull. Yes! Yes! You got it.
That's the team on the other side.
I'm putting power to it. Yeah, that's right. Double ankle.
We got all the rest in. You seen the tug of war this morning. Oh, we're in the way. We're in the road. We're going down to the beach. I mean, he got parking down there, and that's the crazy part. He could. He might be exclusive. He might be more exclusive.
Impossible.
Yeah.
What can you say?
Impossible. Crack is whack.
It's open.
Crack is cheap.
What, like we should have driven or what?
We're going down to the annual 4th of July beach party. Right? Epicenter then. So I go on. Kaylan in another place. I know y'all don't be letting go of those houses. You build me one right here on the beach? Listen. Right by the beach, man. Booyaka Sean. Magical.
Big sound string on, kick it off like one. String on, kick it off like one. In the arena, win all I know. Good sense in me, there is all I know. Rastafari know. Big 45, push it off